Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change modes for your PWR Rider 450L by KNOG. So right here I have this device. I have set up two modes, so let me show them. There's high and SOS, and in order to actually enable them we'll need to hold the power button, which is located right here under the flashlight. And in order to change because right now we have the high mode, and to change it to SOS mode, we need to just press it. As you can see, it changed to SOS mode. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.